Okay, in this video, what I want to do is show you how to create a discount automation or something where if somebody goes to your sales page or something like that and they don't buy from you, that you can trigger an automation or at least give them a discount or find out who those people are so you can offer them a discount. All right. So the very first thing that you're going to do is suppose you're going to send either a broadcast to people, or you might even have that in an email campaign. All right, so I will set it up for, I'll just do it as a email campaign first, and because I might maybe want people to go through this all the time, right? So let's just send it as a broadcast here. Oops, let me go back. Email sequence right here. I want that like this, and we're going to say, offer email campaign. Okay, we'll just do it like that, and I can send people through this all the time or like one time and have this my offer. So I'll just put it as offer for you. Don't copy any of this copy of course, because this sucks, but that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you the parameters, or I guess the steps in how to do this. So this would be your email, and you would type your stuff here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is link to offer, right? This is where you're going to have your link, and we're going to put in a link over here. Okay, sorry, the link. There we go, and it's going to go to mysalespage.com. Okay, and link to offer, the title, the target is going to, we'll set that to new window, and there we go. Okay, so now we've got that link to offer, and all your copy, right? Best, Joey, whatever. Okay, so we're going to save that guy. Cool. Now, what's going to happen here is we want to have an automation, right? We want to have an automation that is going to go into another. It's going to trigger the other campaign, which we're going to have another campaign here. So when email sequence is clicked, right? We want to do a couple things here, but first, let's go create the offer campaign, right? So the discount. We got the offer email campaign. Actually, there's two of them here. I want to make sure. Offer. Let's see here. Offer. Just so I don't get messed up. Offer to discount campaign, just to separate it. There we go. And go back to campaigns. All right, so now we're going to do a discount campaign. Okay. And this one is going to be discount. Again, don't copy any of this stuff because it's not what you want in the subject. Discount for you. And then you have your stuff. And you have your, sales page right here. Right? And then you have your link to your sales page. Discountpage.com. Whatever, okay? Now, we've got that in here. So now what I would do is if you are sending somebody to a sales page and you're waiting to see if they're going to buy, then obviously you don't want to do it, right, like the second day, right? Because because then they're going to get used to you saying, hey, go buy this thing, but a day later he's going to send me a discount. So I would do this maybe 5 days later or something like that, right? So set this up there, okay? So now we're going to do a couple of things here to make sure that we're not sending a discount to somebody who's already bought and all that other stuff, right? So now what we want to do is we want to go back into this campaign and we want to do a couple of triggers. So we want to do that automation, right? When this email sequence is clicked, and it's any link in the email, but we're going to do this one here, and we say, okay, when that is clicked, right, you want to subscribe to an email sequence right here. And that is going to go into our discount campaign, okay? All right, so just save it, and that's what's going to happen. So pretty simple, right? Now, let's go back to the other one, And this is where you want the condition in. So if you want to do this automatically, this is kind of where it gets tricky, because you want to have a condition here that, where is it here? The discount campaign. And let's see here. So if they're already sitting in here, what's going to happen is, let's put an unsubscribe trigger. And when person offer is granted, here it is here. Offer, it's off screen, you don't see it, but right here, offer is purchased, okay? Whatever, beta class 1, unsubscribe them, okay? And that is done. So what's going to happen is they're going to go into, let's see right here. They're going to go into the offer discount campaign, right? They click on the sales page, then it automatically drops them into discount campaign here, right? And they sit for 5 days. And that's what I would suggest, like 5 days, 3 to 5 days, whatever you want, maybe even longer than that. And they'll be just sitting here waiting for this discount email, right? If they buy before the email goes out, the unsubscribe trigger will pull them out and they won't ever get this. And that is how you can automate this entire process and make it a whole lot easier for you, okay? Hopefully that helps you. If not, leave me a message and I will respond to it and help you to make sure this is clearer for you.